Hello, everybody. Wolfie here, but you could just call me Wolfie. So, you're new to avatar creating, and you've seen a lot of avatars that are able to shift their hair a different color, and you want to learn how to do those shifts. Something like this. See that? I shifted over. Well, you've come to the right video for 2026. Happy New Year's, and I know I'm late to that. I've been busy, but let's move on with the vid. Okay, and we are back, and will be using my silver wolf for this tutorial. So, allow me to show you. First things first, you want to make sure you have the right materials selected. I am using the right shader. I am using Poyomi Tune. I mean, this works with pretty much any shader. And yes, before you ask, this does work on Quest. I just find it a little hideous on the Quest side. No offense to Questies, but yeah, you're gonna have two options here. You're gonna have HSV. You're gonna have OKLab. I personally love to use HSV, and as you can see from this example, the hair in the back here is changing colors. Whenever I change it like that, you want to achieve that same result? Here, let me show you. First things first, you want to go to your animation tab. Then you want to make sure that you name it whatever. I'm going to name this it could be called whatever, but this is what I'm going to name mine. So, want to go to this recording. Now, this is very important. This will not work unless you actually click the body and go to it first. As you can see, whenever I do that, it's not making the little recording. So what I would need to do is go over towards the body. I want to click where it says body. I want to scroll down towards the hair that I'm using. I want to toggle the arrow down. And from here, this is where I make my changes. It's very important that the body is highlighted like this. So then when I do it like this, as you can see, it made its recording. So I'm going to start by leaving this at 0. And then I'm going to just click over here. And I'm going to drag this all the way to the end, to 1. It's that simple. And now, what you want to do from here is you want to simply, well, first let me get out this preview. Turn off the preview. Okay. Now then, what you want to do from here, you want to go towards your effects menu. Where's my effects menu? You know what? I'm just going to, yeah. Want to go over towards your effects menu. First. Again, this could be named whatever. Make sure you toggle the way to 1. Also, I probably should have done this first, but you definitely want to create a float here, and you want to make sure that that float is named something simple like and yes, I'm also going to put this in my regular parameters as well. I'm going to make it a float here because I like saving the changes there. Of course, it's not necessary, but it's actually worth the same. Now, here's another important thing. After you've created that tab there, you want to go back towards where you created your animation. So, my animation, where the fuck? I'm gonna just search it. Uh, there shit. Okay, yeah. Yeah. So this is really all you need right here. And what you want to do here is you want to go towards where it says motion time. You want to go over here and you want to go towards where it says shifting. And after you've done that, then you want to double click here and you want to turn off the loop time. Easy, simple. And now what's going to happen here is our next step here would be simply adding the menu. Page 3. Okay. Three. We'll name it. As well as PC. And what you want to do here, the parameter, this. Actually, no, you want to make sure it's a radio first. You don't need that there. But it's just kind of something that does go there. And want to put this here. There you go. Radio puppet, rotation, simple as that. You don't want to mess with the parameter one, you just want to mess with the rotation one. Easy. So now after we've done that, we want to go over towards our gesture manager. We're going to test it out. Pay attention to the hair here. Page 3. Hair hue. Look at that. It's shifting colors. It works. See? And I don't think I need to tell you to upload Abby because it's pretty self-explanatory from here. Anyways, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Warfare out.